SCORM stands for Sharable Content Object Reference Model. It is a portable way to integrate course content from one LMS to another. It provides compatibility for integration, allowing courses to be accessed without leaving the LMS. It also offers analytics data as well. In this video, I will show you how to insert SCORM course content into Academy LMS easily. First, go to the add-ons page and enable the SCORM add-on. Then, navigate to the course page. You can add SCORM content to an existing course, but please note that adding SCORM to an existing course will make the old content unavailable. You can also add SCORM to a new course. Provide a course title and configure other necessary settings, such as course duration, maximum student limit, difficulty level, and language. Now, in the SCORM section, click the Upload button and select your SCORM package.zip file. Once uploaded, select a category for your course and specify the course type: free, paid, or public. Finally, click Publish, and your SCORM course will be added to the course page immediately. Click Preview to view the course. To explore the SCORM content, click the Start Course button. Your SCORM course will load in Academy LMS as it was designed. The SCORM package will function fully as intended. You can also track course progress and provide downloadable resources.
On the other hand, we can also use SCORM inside a lesson. Let's see how. First, create a new course or edit an existing one to add SCORM to a lesson. Scroll down to the course builder. Next, go to the specific lesson or click Add Content, then choose Lesson. Give your lesson a title, scroll down to the SCORM section, and hit Upload. Select your SCORM file, and it will be added instantly to the lesson. Now, let's take a preview. And that's how SCORM content works inside a lesson.
I hope Academy LMS helps you build your next course site. And that's how you integrate SCORM course content into Academy LMS. Subscribe for more videos, and thank you for watching.